This is not the normal thing I review, but I think it could be interesting. This is the GORUCK Kit Bag 32 liter in Coyote Brown. Let's get into it. This is my Go Bag. It sounds so funny to say that. I feel like I should smack it when I say that. The camera's kind of moving, but you know. But I will say, in my Go Bag, it's slightly different than the average person's Go Bag. Actually, it's more akin to the average person's Go Bag. I don't know much about pocket knives, don't have any in here. That's not what this is going to be about. This is a bag I bought for a very specific purpose. It is a beautifully made 1000D Cordura bag from GORUCK that's around $99. It is a very, very good purchase in my opinion, and it's probably my wife's favorite bag that I ever bought, and I'm going to show you why. So let's get into it a little bit. I mean, this webbing strap is very nice. You can, you know, do one of these guys if you're one of those guys. It has some very smart features, like it has this flap. The flap covers the zipper, so if it rains, you know, you're pretty golden. Now, I originally started using this as like a camera bag to carry all my camera gear around. Well, it's kind of morphed into something else, and that's my wife's doing. There are these two pockets on the side. You can put a water bottle in these pockets pretty easily. I don't have a water bottle, but this is a jam container. You can imagine they're like so, no problemo. There are pockets on both sides, same exact thing. There are no other external pockets on this bag, just those two. And like I said, 1000D Cordura, the whole bag feels very well made in typical GORUCK fashion. It is made in Vietnam. Again, if you've been around my channel for a while, you know I don't care much about that. Here, okay, so this patch does not come with this bag, obviously. This comes with this lovely thing, which is the Heritage GORUCK GR1. And it's a lovely leather patch. My wife stole it off my bag, stuck it here because she wanted this bag to look a little bit more luxurious. Thanks, my wife. There are box stitches here, and these straps go the whole way around the bag, including the bottom, so it's very, very well reinforced. Would be amazing for you gym rats. The bag comes with this strap, which is, it feels exactly like a GORUCK backpack strap that's just been extracted from the backpack and stuck in here. I've heard there was a time when this didn't come with it, but it does now. The hardware is just so, like, let's see if I can get this to focus. So this is the hardware. It is very, very nice, and it has like a very satisfying click. Yes, anyway, feels very well built. This is also aluminum here, and the strap itself it's got a very nice little bit of can you see that, this GORUCK branding on it. Just a nice touch, just a really all-around solid thing. I mean, this strap feels like it would cost 20 or 30 bucks itself. I probably did at one point. So put that off to the side. So what's in my kit bag? It's not ready for the gym. It's not ready for a photo shoot. It's not ready for a weekend trip. It's ready for something completely different. Go Bag. Keep that in mind. This is a number 10 YKK zip, Taiwanese made. The exact same zippers you find on all GORUCK bags, really. And smooth. It's just smooth. I mean, obviously, like, because it doesn't have much structure, you need to kind of hold a little bit, but smooth enough. Number 10 zipper there. The same exact zipper pulls that you find on all GORUCK bags. There are D-rings on both sides here that are for this bad boy. So this is my Go Bag. Go Bag meaning, well, we're gonna have a baby this week. Well, I mean, fingers crossed that it's this week. Would be nice if it was this week. I wanna see her. I really, really wanna see her. This bag is ready for the hospital. So basically, this is the bag I'm gonna grab and run with as soon as my wife says it's time to grab and run. Inside the bag, there are these things, which are some things. Now, I'm not gonna know much about what's going on in here because my wife packed it, and I asked her to explain it to me, and she said, just film the video and show everybody how dumb you are. So that's what I'm gonna do. There are these things, sanitizing wipes, it says on it. This looks like my wife's toiletry kit, which I guess is needed in this case. This is our baby's first clothes, which I'm man, just looking at this, I literally feel like crying in a good way. These are just masks, just in case everybody needs a mask, in case we don't have one, in case I run out to the car and don't forget or don't bring one. Nice. This is my wife's, I think, pouch of some sort. I mean, obviously it's a pouch. It looks like it has some baby-related items inside. This is handmade by a student's mom. One of my students' moms. More sanitizing wipes, toilet wipes. I mean, again, not really sure what's going on with all these, but this says a cloth diaper, which I think is probably something that's important to have. This is something that says motherly. These are actual diapers by the looks of it. These are just more tissue. In English, more tissue. What is that? Wet wipes? Yeah, wet wipes. This is a diaper, looks like. Then, I don't know what this is. It says Starbucks, but it certainly feels like diapers. And that's it, yeah. And then this thing. So this is just one of those Bellroy pouches or whatever, I think. And it has my wife's camera, which my wife uses a Leica Sofort, which is, I don't know if I can focus it. It's a, it's basically an Instax camera that, it's an Instax camera that's made by Leica. That's most of the inside of the bag. Now, it's darkness in here, so you're not going to be able to see it very well. I'm going to flip it inside out so you can see a little bit better. There is a zippered pocket here along the edge, which is, it's very nice touch that they added a red zipper pull to this. And it's a number 8 YKK, it looks like. And it's a mesh pocket. Inside the mesh pocket, I can feel my wife's, looks like lipstick of some sort, maybe. Not sure if that's what that is. And then there's another one over on this side, the exact same pocket. It's big enough for something like, I mean, it goes, like, I'll show you. It goes from like here to here. So it's like this big, and it's a zippered pocket. And then there's one more pocket on this bag, which is this flap pocket. And this flap pocket also zips up with a number 8 YKK zipper. And my wife has straws in there. I'm not sure what the point of those are, but it must have all point. She's got straws in there. It says here, can you see that? GORUCK Kit Bag. Lifetime guarantee, which lifetime guarantee is equivalent to made in Vietnam because there is a made in Vietnam tag down on the bottom. But yeah. So that's basically it. That's the kit bag. This is the thing, these are the things I'm going to take to the hospital when my baby's born. Oh, there's something that says Huggies over here. Hold on. Oh, well, that's a good example. So these Huggies things fit right in that zipped pocket in the back there. Now I'm going to have to repack this bag so my wife doesn't kill me. And that's it. I mean, okay, as far as a review, it's hard to review a bag like this because, I mean, it's just super simple, really well built. It's got the 2 zipper pockets here, the 1 flat pocket here, which I think is great because it keeps it away from the bottom of the bag. These are like the whole length. And then, you know, the 2 water bottle pockets, super simple, super nice duffel bag. Would be great for travel, would be great for, you know, a go bag like this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this guy, let me know. There's a link to it in the description. It's a $99 purchase that I think is well worth it if you want some GORUCK quality in your duffel bag. It really feels like a well thought out product. A lot of these, you know, like duffel bags are almost too simple. When I got it, I actually didn't even know that there was the zippered mesh pockets here and then this guy here. So it's a really nice bag in use. There's no padding or anything, so you're just getting 1000D Cordura. But again, very nice. Will be perfect for its purpose here. And yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. Probably 2 videos this weekend. Talk soon. Much love. Wish me luck. Probably not going to be around for at least a couple of weeks because of the baby, assuming she comes soon. Again, fingers crossed. Talk soon, everyone. Bye-bye. I was a little nervous there. I actually hit the camera. I'm going to leave the camera rolling so you can watch me make a mockery of this repacking. I think this was here. My wife said to pack it exactly how she had it, and I think these were next, maybe. And then I think maybe this zippered pocket, I think, was my wife's toiletry kit, maybe, in here. And then I think these were over here. And then maybe this was here, like this. No, I think it was like, maybe it was like that. Do you remember? Nobody remembers. I think this was, that looks about right. And then the mask was definitely not there. It was over here. I'm gonna put this here. Clothes is on the top, right? That makes sense. Need the clothes right away. Can't be naked the whole time. Camera. Most important is the camera. Put the strap here so that I'm not fumbling around when I'm running away. One thing I didn't mention during the video, and I'll splice this in, is that there's nothing to hold these together, so you end up with a little bit of this. But I mean, honestly, with a simple duffel, I don't think it matters that much. You can easily buy something from here. What I will say, one of the best things you can buy for here is from Dispatch. For $10, they make the best handle, I find, that you can get to add to a bag. It's got a couple of buttons and something you can bring it around. I use the one from my day pack on here when it's applicable. And the thing about that one is it will attach to one strap itself, and then it will attach again around the edge. Sorry I didn't show you, didn't bring it in. Anyway, you get the drift. Bye-bye.